Do you suffer from alopecia or experience hair thinning or breakage and want answers? Are you frustrated, fed up to the extreme, and now searching for a solution to repair your hair? Look no further. Pika Hair Care products will help you on your journey to regenerate and redefine your hair. Start the process to minimize hair loss, reduce breakage, and prevent future damage. So anyone facing balding or thinning throughout the head, know that you're not alone. This condition sometimes is a concern for men, women, and children. Don't let hair loss run its course untreated. Pika Hair Care products will revitalize and give you that boost for hair growth and modify the overall health of your hair. Although these hair care products is formulated specifically to help those with advanced hair thinning or those who have been diagnosed with alopecia, Pika Hair Care products is effective and gentle enough for the young. So schedule your hair restoration appointment today to consult with our specialists. Don't ignore it. Restore it.